Hi Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina, and welcome to our very last painting in the pink and green flamingo series. That's what it kind of reminds me of. For this last one, I want to apologize for the way my hair looks in these videos. Yikes. But in these videos, we've been using special colors. And many of these paintings have been done on dirty trays, meaning we dipped one of our really pretty pictures, and then I thought, I'd be ashamed to waste this paint. Let's add a little bit more in, and then use our straw to blow the paint around and see what we get. So they could be considered secondary prints. Once again, yikes on the hair. Please look past that. Let's dip down our white piece of paper and see what this looks like. This is an example of why using a board to pull it out is much easier than using your bare hands. I like the print. It is very pastel. Let's see what this one does. And here comes our white piece of paper. Let's dip it down and pull out another unique print. See, I had my act together this time. We're using a board. All right, I like the rhythm here. I like we've got pink, green, pink, green. So Dewdrops, thanks so much.